I'm going to share yummy iftar recipes because every day we are thinking what to make and what not to make. So the first one is peri peri grilled chicken. It's healthy, it's yummy, and it's fulfilling. I've made the marinade at home and shared the recipe. You can use a store-bought mix. Make sure you cut the chicken, slit it, and marinate it really well and keep it for 1 hour in the fridge. Pan fry the chicken 5 minutes each side to get that grill marks on your chicken. It really looks nice and it also adds flavor. Make extra marination because you will need it every time you flip chicken because you want your juicy chicken, you don't want it to be dry. French fries go really well with this peri peri grilled chicken, and I always make some sort of potato dish when I make this, and on a iftar table it would look great. Next is keema samosas. I make it with beef, you can make it with any sort of meat. Once the filling is ready, you can roll samosas in a shape that you like, in the size you like. This is a tedious task, takes a lot of time, but it's worth it. I love deep fried samosas. You can just absorb all the oil with the tissue paper. A lot of people air fry, but you don't get that color and taste. Pizza is a very good choice, crowd favorite. If you can make it on your own, great. But if you can't, you can get ready-made store-bought dough and just add vegetables, chicken, flavor of your own choice. Noodles, spaghettis, they are favorite of everybody, kids, adults, everybody. I'm making Asian style beef noodles. I'm going to stir fry onion and garlic, add some beef mince and cook it until it's brown. People add peppers, people add spring onions, cabbage, but I just had onions and peppers, so I added that. Boiled noodles beforehand, and I'm just going to add them straight to the pan. Another favorite is aloo ke pakode wale chips. I use homemade pakoda mix in which I add a lot of herbs, Asian ones, and then I dip the potatoes and deep fry them. They're so yummy. So days when you don't want to make French fries, these are desi French fries. I use the same pakora mix to make palak ke pakode, pyaz ke pakode, whichever you have. So I'm using palak, spinach inside, adding some onions, and these pakoras are also yummy. Chicken Alfredo pasta. So for that I'm marinating chicken in basic spices. I'm using chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs. It's up to you. I already had leftover white sauce in my freezer, so I used that. Otherwise, I would have made it separately. Add green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and just let it simmer. Look at the beautiful, yummy iftar table. Chicken tikka rolls, chicken kebab rolls, they never seem to disappoint you. They're always a favorite. Putting this mixture aside, I'm using the same pan to make parathas. I've already shared a video of how I make and freeze parathas at home, so I just took them out, thawed them, and put some ghee, and they're ready. Use any chutney of your choice. Normally, people use green chutney, imli ki chutney. I've used burger sauce as well. Which recipe was your favorite from all of these? Alhamdulillah for all the blessings, and may all our tables be filled with food this Ramadan and all year round.